Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic names in vintage farming machines, Zetor tractors. Originally made in Czechoslovakia, Zetor tractors became popular in India during the 60s and 70s for their unmatched durability and powerful engines. One of the most loved models was the Zetor 25, known for its simple design and strong performance in the field. It was a favorite among Indian farmers because it could handle tough soil, heavy loads, and long working hours without giving up. The Zetor 50 Super was another classic, known for its high torque and heavy-duty build. Its sound alone could tell you the tractor was a beast. Unlike many modern tractors, old Zetors were built like tanks. Their metal bodies, powerful engines, and easy maintenance made them reliable partners for farmers. Even today, in some villages, you can still find Zetor tractors running smoothly after decades of hard work. Parts were easy to fix, the mechanics were simple, and that made them perfect for Indian conditions. Zetor became a symbol of trust for many Indian families who used these machines for generations. In this video, we'll take a closer look at a fully restored Zetor 25, hear its original engine sound, and test its performance in the field. It's not just about power, it's about history, passion, and the bond between farmer and machine. If you've ever driven or seen a Zetor tractor in action, share your memories in the comments. And don't forget to like the video if you love old tractors as much as we do. Let's bring back the glory of these legendary machines, one video at a time.